Hello everyone, it's Lee. Welcome back to my channel. I today want to show you how I make stickers to put into my planner, and these are just some random stickers that I wanted to make, and I wanted to add to the spread that I'm going to do. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm in Cricut Design Space. I have a Cricut and I'm in a new project. So anytime you want to do a new project, you just hit new and you'll get your blank screen here. So I have some images that I want to upload. So I'm going to go to upload image. And these are some downloaded images that I downloaded. So I have these, and I also have some other ones that I want to upload. So I'm going to upload these first. So here's my image. I'm going to hit complex because it has a lot of colors in it, and I want to make sure, because it's a print and cut, I want to make sure it cuts all the you know what I'm trying to say. So I just clicked on the background to remove that white background from the image. All right, so I'm going to hit apply and continue. It's going to be a print and cut, and I'm going to hit upload. So I'm going to upload the other two images and do the same thing. And I just clicked inside the O to remove that white from the O as well, just to get a transparent background. All right, and I'm going to upload this other image, complex, hit the background, print and cut. All right, and then there's another image that I want to grab, and that is a work schedule image. So I got these images off of Creative Fabrica. Right, and it just says work, and I'll use this to put my work schedule. Complex. All right, apply, print and cut. All right, and that's it for now. So I'm just gonna click all of them because I'm putting all of them in onto the canvas. All right, so I'm just going to click and just kind of move them out of the way. I'm clicking over here on the side just to separate all of the images. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the size because of course I don't want them to be this big in my planner. If you wanted them to be this big, you could definitely leave them that big. So I'm just going to click on one, and I'm going to take it down to 1 inch. All right, because I want them kind of small. And then this work icon, I need to look at my planner really quick and see what measurements I want that to be. All right, so I want this to be 1.5 by 0.5. All right. All right, so now that I have everything that I need, now I want to add the offset to this. All right, so I'm going to click on one of my images, and I'm going to add I'm going to add the offset. So I'm going to come up here to offset, and it's already at 0.25, so I'll see if I like that, and looking at it is way too big, so I'm going to take it down. Alright, so what I like to do whenever I add the offset, I like to move my image from it to make sure I don't have any spaces here, because if you have spaces, then Cricut Design Space will try to cut the spaces as well. So I just hit undo because it's what I want. I'm going to click on the offset here. I'm going to change the color to white. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing with these other two. Click on it, add the offset, and see if I like this size. Alright, so I got the offset on both the other images. I'm just pulling them apart to make sure there's no spaces there. So click the offset, go up here to color, change it to white. Alright, so now I'm going to click and drag because I want to select the offset as well as the picture, and I'm going to hit flatten. Alright, and do the same thing. Flatten. 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 Alright, so I'm going to check my size again because I'm sure the size changed once I put the offset on. So I'm just going to take these back down to 1 inch. And this is supposed to be 1.5 and 0.5. Alright, so now that I have all of the images that I want, I'm going to go over here to shapes, grab a square, and the printing area for Cricut is 6.75 by 9.25. So I'm going to hit unlock here and do 6.75 by 9.25. Alright, and I'm going to put my images on here. Alright, and I'm going to click my square and I'm going to hit arrange and send to back. Alright, that way we can see what we have going on here. Alright, so now I'm just going to I'm going to print a lot of these. So for the work one, I'm probably going to add some different colors because I'm going to be doing different colors in my planner in different weeks. So I won't make you watch that because it's the same procedure that we did. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on one of the girls here and I'm going to hit duplicate. And I'm going to duplicate it as many times until I get a full page of all of the stickers I want. Alright. And I'm going to do that for the other stickers as well. Once I get that done, I will come back. Okay, so I have all of the stickers on here. I duplicated the sewing stickers because I do a lot of sewing. And then I got different color work stickers, and I tried to make sure that I put everything, apart enough for the Cricut to cut it correctly. All right, so I'm going to click on the background, that square that I added, and how you have the right thing selected, it will highlight over here, and I'm just going to hit delete. All right, because I don't want that square to print. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to highlight all of my stickers here on the page. I'm going to hit attach, because when I hit make it, I don't want it to be all over the page, and I don't want it to separate in different mats or anything like that. All right, so now I'm going to hit make it, and it's just telling me that it's a big project, so it may take a few minutes to load. All right, so it says sorting project into mats by color, but because I attached it, it should not do that. All right, so here's my print then cut. It will eventually pop up here. All right, so I got everything on my mat. It looks good. I'm going to hit continue, and then I'm going to do send to printer, and it's also trying to find my machine. I have a maker. So while it's doing that, I'm going to take away the bleed. I don't want the bleed, and I'm going to use system dialog. That way it'll pull up my printer menu. All right. All right, so I'm going to hit print, and my printer menu should come up. I choose my printer, I hit preferences, and of course I want it to be presentation paper matte. I want high quality color, and I click OK and print. All right, and then it will print on my printer. And the paper that I'm using sticker paper removable, because I want a Kiss Cut sticker. I don't want the oh gosh, what is it called? I don't want a die cut sticker. I want a Kiss Cut sticker. So it has my maker up here. I'm going to do sticker paper removable, default pressure, and then once my sticker sheet prints out, I will then put it onto the Cricut, and I'll show you guys that. Okay, so this is my mat. Here are my stickers. So I'm just going to place my stickers on my mat, and I'm going to line it up as best I can. You want to make sure you get it on the mat just right. All right, so these are all the stickers. This line around it is the registration marks. That's the marks that Cricut will read in order to know where they need to cut the stickers. So now that I have the stickers on my mat, I'm going to now put them into the Cricut so the Cricut can start cutting it. All right, so my load button is blinking on my Cricut. So I'm just going to take my mat, place it in between these grooves here, hit the load button, and then the Cricut button should start blinking here. There it is. So I hit that button, and it's going to start to read those registration marks. Once it reads the registration marks, it will start to cut. Okay, once it's finished, you just hit your load button again. It will unload the mat. And you always want to peel your sticker sheet, peel your mat away from the sticker sheet. Because if you peel your sticker sheet away from the mat, it will kind of curl up a little bit. And if you're selling stickers or something like that, you don't want to send someone a curled up sticker sheet or whatever the case may be. So now I have my stickers, and they are the Perfect Kiss Cut stickers. All right, so only thing I have to do now, I just trim this down, and then I will start using these in my planner. All right, guys, if you have any questions about how I made these stickers here, I got them off of the Bitmoji app. This is the avatar that I made for myself, and I just typed in keywords of what I was looking for. I typed in sewing, reading, and education. So those are the 3 that I decided to download and make stickers out of. I can't sell these because I don't have the commercial rights to these, but I'm just using them in my planner, so I figured they were okay. These I got off of Creative Fabrica. I will link them in the description box below. But if you have any other questions, definitely put them in the comments and I will answer them to the best of my ability. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.